Hello everyone, how are you all today? My greetings to all of you. I'm really happy to have you all here in this class today. My dear students, I appreciate your interest in learning to speak well in English. Of course, you may have your own reasons for why you try to develop your spoken English. Yes, please. Or you are trying to go for your higher studies to Australia. Very good, very good. So you are trying your best to improve your spoken English. Of course, you should take care of Australian accent. Try to listen to the English of Australian speakers. Right? Good. Watch some programs on TV produced by the native speakers. That will help you. Here, yes, mister. You are trying to? Oh, great. Our friend is going to take up the examination IELTS. I think you will take up this examination in the British Council at Addis Ababa. Very good. Yeah, Addis Ababa is the city which is closer to you, and you have the British Council there. Very good, very good. I think you should score 9 at least. Oh, 6 plus is good. Very good. And it's out of 9. So out of 9, you must take 6 plus. Very good. I wish you all the best. Good. My dear students, do you know one thing? Whenever I listen to the English of salam in our class, I really enjoy a lot. Salam, I enjoy your English. Whenever I listen to your English, I truly enjoy. You know why? You try to sound like native speakers. How did you develop? How did you learn to speak well like native speakers? Especially you sound like native speakers when you speak. How? Oh, at home everybody speaks English. Very good. All the programs that you watch on TV are in English. Great. So you never tune into your mother tongue's program? Rarely. Good, good, good. That's nice, Salam. Look at Salam. From her childhood, she used to listen to only English. And that's how you started sounding like native speakers. That's great, Salam. That's great. Do one thing, Salam. From today, try to speak to these guys only in English. Don't use your mother tongue, guys. Got it? Don't ever try to speak your mother tongue. Whenever you meet Salam, you should speak English. Salam, take care of it. If any of these guys speak their mother tongue, report it to me, okay? Good. Because we want them also to speak like you. So try to help them. Good, good, good. Yes, join Salam and try to develop your spoken English. Always try to speak English. You will truly improve your spoken English very quickly. Yes, try your best. My dear students, today in our class, I'm going to talk to you about how the native speakers of English drop some sounds when they produce certain words and how they add some sounds when they produce certain words and how they link certain sounds when they produce the sound of a phrase. Whenever they try to speak out a phrase or a word, sometimes they drop out some sounds, sometimes they add some sound, sometimes they link some sounds in their speech. And if we also do this in our English, naturally we will sound like native speakers. Are you ready to listen to me? Good. We have got some 6 phrases today to discuss. And I'm going to tell you how they drop some sound and how they add some sound and how they link some sounds into their speech. Right? Good. Listen to me carefully. Salam, have you noticed these things? Listen to me, you will also know. Look at the word excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. We normally produce this sound like excuse me. Whenever we produce the sound of this phrase, we sound like excuse me, right? But when you listen to the native speakers, they drop the first sound ek. They drop it out. They don't use it. And they produce the sound like excuse me, excuse me. You got it? Excuse me. They don't say excuse me. They just say excuse me, excuse me. That's how in this phrase, excuse me, they drop the sound ek as we do. They don't use it. They drop it out. Got it? So from today, my dear students, in your English, try to drop out this sound, ek, and just say, excuse me. You will sound like native speakers. Got it? Very good. Let's take this question now. For example, shall we go? Shall we go? We have 3 words in this question. Shall we go? There are 3 words, right? Yes. But if you listen to the speech of native speakers, they don't produce the sound of all these 3 words when they speak. They cut it short. They don't say like we say, shall we go? Shall we go? That's how they never say. They never speak. They never sound like that. They just say, shwe go? Shwe go? Shwe go? That's how they drop some sounds. Look at the word shall. In this word, the last syllable is dropped out. Al, shall, al is dropped out. Starting from the first sound of this word sh, and they moved to the second word we, Shwe go. Shwe go. That's how they produce the sound whenever they ask this question. Got it? So, my dear students, from today, whenever you happen to ask this question, just speak like the native speakers. Shall we go? Not shall we go. Got it? Very good. Now, look at the next phrase. Good day. Good day. There are two words, good and day. Normally, when we sound this phrase, when we speak English, we sound like saying good day, good day. That's how we sound, right? That's how we speak it out. But when you listen to the native speakers, they don't sound like as we sound. You got it? They just say, good day, good day. The consonant sound D in the word good is dropped out once again here. They drop out the sound D in the word good. So they don't sound to say good day as we do. So they drop the sound D and just they speak it out like good day, good day. Do you follow me? Very good. So hereafter, my dear students, if you happen to wish your friends saying good day, don't produce the sound like good day, but sound like the native speakers. Good day. I wish you good day. That's how you should speak to sound like native speakers. You got it? Very good. Let's move on to our next phrase. That's fine. That's fine. That is fine. Three words are there. For our convenience, that and is are mixed up together in our conversation. That's. We don't say that is. Sometimes we say that is. But it's good to join them together and speak like that's, not that is. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine indeed. Very good. That's fine. That's how we sound when we produce the sound of this sentence. But if you happen to listen to the speech of native speakers, they completely drop out the word that. The whole word that is dropped out when they produce the sound of this sentence. They don't sound like saying that's fine, but they sound like saying it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Directly they go to the consonant sound is and then to the next word, third word, fine, it's fine, it's fine. They don't say that is fine or that's fine. They just say it's fine. It's fine. Got it? So that's how, my dear students, start speaking your English. Yeah, I'm teaching you today so that you will try to follow in your English whenever you speak English. And that's how you will improve your spoken English to sound like the native speakers. You got it? Very good. Try your best. Let's move on to our next phrase. Go and. Again, we have got two words. Go and. If we produce this phrase, how do we say? Go and watch that movie. Go and watch that movie. That's how we speak. But if you happen to listen to the speech of the native speakers, they never sound these two words separately. Go and do that. They don't say like that. You got it? So, what do they do here? They do two things here. One, they are adding a new sound in between these two sounds. Go and in between these two words, they add a new sound. V. Got it? Very good. And they drop the consonant sound D in the word and. So they sound like saying, go on, go on, go on, do that, go on, watch. Meaning to say, go and watch. Go on, watch that movie. So, my dear friends, do not say go and, but say go on, go on, go on. Okay? Very good. Try your best whenever you speak your English. Salam. That's how teach the other guys. Hey, practice your English speaking like this to salam. Got it? That's how you will learn, you will improve. Good. Our next phrase is have a. Have a. Say, for example, have a good day. Have a good day. Now, if it's we produce the sound like have a good day. Have a good day. Have a good day. But if you happen to listen to the sound of the native speakers, once again they drop the last sound produced by the last letter of the word have. They drop it and then they link the sound of the second word together with the first word. What's the sound of the second word? Right? So they link that sound with the sound of the first word by dropping the last sound of the first word, and they sound like have a, have a, have a, have a good day, not have a good day, not have a good day, have a good day, have a good day, have a good day. That's how they sound. So, my dear students, I have taught you some 6 phrases. Some of them are phrases. One is a question, shall we go? And one is a sentence, that's fine. So we have got some phrases We have seen a sentence and we have also seen a question to test the sound of the native speakers. Have you learned how the native speakers produce their sounds whenever they produce these phrases and sentences and question? Very good. I have given you some 6 examples today. Try following these 6 examples from today in your English. Got it? That's how you will improve, mister. Students at the 3rd row, did you hear me? Very good. Try to follow these sounds from today in your English. That's how the native speakers of English, they drop some sounds when they produce some phrases or some words or some sentences, or when they ask some questions. And that's how they add some sounds to their words, and that's how they link some extra words together. So try your best, my dear students, to adopt this style of speaking English, and you will truly sound like native speakers very quickly. I'm happy we have got a student in our class. Salam. I'm really happy about you. Try to help your friends. Speak to them in English always. And that's how they will have chances to improve their spoken English. By the way, I'm advising you seriously, whenever you come to me to say, to talk to me or to ask me anything, you have to communicate to me only in English. Remember this. Got it? Very good. If anyone speak any other language to me, of course I cannot understand you if you speak in any other language other than English. But if you try to speak your mother tongue to me, first thing, I don't understand it. Secondly, I will punish you. Got it? Very good. Don't speak your mother tongue. Speak only English. Good. And I would like to give you an additional tip if you want to really sound like native speakers when you speak your English. My dear friends, look at the screen once again. All of you, look at your phones. You should stress some words, certain words in your sentence. Stress. What is to stress? Give some importance to certain words in your sentence. Stress the sound. Press the sound a little bit higher when you speak that word out. Say, for example, even in this sound, say, for example, where do you think I stress in this phrase? Say, for example, example, I stress at that place, right? That's how you should start stressing some words, certain words when you speak English. I would like to meet you today. I would like to have a cup of coffee with you today. The word like is stressed. A cup of coffee. Coffee is stressed. That's how try stressing certain words when you speak your English. If you want to sound like native speakers. Got it? Very good. Then you should also reduce some words in your sentence. Reduce some words. For example, we saw the sentence, that's fine, that's fine, that is fine. So those three words are reduced into two. That's fine. Once again, the native speakers reduced it still further, and they sound saying, it's fine, it's fine. When you listen to their sound, you don't even imagine that that sound represents three words. That is fine. So they just reduced the sounds of certain words in their sentence. They reduced the sound of the word that in that sentence. And they just speak. It's fine. That's it. So you to reduce certain words when you speak. Listen when you speak, not when you write. Remember this. Yeah. You're trying to develop your spoken English, right? So when you want to develop your spoken English, try to reduce some words when you speak it out. Because in writing, you need to have all the words. Words are very important. While speaking, you can make your listener understand even with the help of your body language. But in writing, you will not be there when your reader reads what you have written. You will not be there to explain to the reader what you have written. So in writing, you have to produce all the words, but in speaking, reduce some words to sound like native speakers. Very good. And you can also add intonation. Intonation. What's called intonation? Intonation means the changes in your voice. Sometimes you can raise your voice. Sometimes you can low down your voice. Raising intonation, falling intonation. Got it? The variations in your voice when you speak, that's called intonation. Right? Good. And you should also add some rhythm to your speech, some sweetness to your speech, so that when your listeners listen to your English, they'll be happy to listen to you. Your sound of your speech should be like listening to a good music, and the listeners will be interested in listening to you. Just like I said, whenever I listen to the English of Salam, I enjoy, right? Because her sound is really sweet to my ears. So that's how whenever you speak, apply some rhythm, some musical effect to your speech. Good. And you will sound like native speakers. And finally, add tone to your sounds. What is to add tone? Tone is nothing but it's just like intonation. Raising your voice, bringing down your voice, and so on. But when you particularly talk about tone, you can say a polite tone, pleasing tone, angry tone, commanding tone. That's how. Depending on the meaning of your sentence, try to change your tone when you speak. Got it? Very good. So these are some additional tips for you to develop your spoken English to sound like native speakers. Good. My dear students, try to follow all these tips in your spoken English, and truly within a short period of time, you yourself will be surprised to listen to your own speech. You will truly sound like native speakers. Try adopting these tips in your daily English speaking, and I wish you all the best to improve your spoken English to sound like native speakers. I wish you, my dear friend, try adopting this and you will speak English like the native speakers of English in Australia when you go there for your master studies. Good? Very good. And you, my dear friend, it will also help you when you attend the speaking test in your IELTS exam. Good. Try to adopt all these tips in your daily English. Got it? Very good. I thank you, my dear students, for attending this class. I believe this class would have been very helpful to all of you. And I wish you all the best. We will meet soon in our next class, right? Very good. In our next class, I'm going to talk about another important topic. So don't miss our next class. See you then. Bye-bye. My dear viewers, I believe this class would have been really helpful to all of you. I thank you so much for being in the class or watching this class till the end of the class. Thank you so much. I like you all. In case, my dear viewers, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon so that every class of mine will be notified to you. Thank you once again for joining me. Bye-bye. See you all. Let's meet in another video. Till then, I wish you all the best. Bye-bye.